Tony. Just waking up. It's a special week. Don't know if you know this, but got a big game this week. Maybe the biggest I've ever called. Big part of my job is really just having enough stuff to say. And that's why you got to be knowledgeable on all kinds of different things. Google, how do you say touchdown in French?
Atterrissage.
A massage. A commentator's most precious resource is his voice, which is why I'm always working on it. Red leather, yellow leather.
A lot of people think that when you sing or vocally, it comes from here. It doesn't. It comes from right here. Celine taught me that.
Yes! The great Tiana.
Hey.
What's up?
What's poppin', kid?
We won't.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna test you on a couple of things. Okay.
Nene.
Ooh.
Reverse nene.
Oh, wow. Ooh.
Role. Dallas. Baby!
That's my guy. That's my guy.
Hey, Google, play Magnolia.
All these niggas sound like cats, sound like cats.
As you can tell, I'm phenomenal as a dancer, and I think that there's a chance that I'm going to use that into the broadcast.